New track from 24kGoldn just dropped. It's called Mood, and I'm going to teach you how to play it on guitar. Enjoy. So this entire song is made up of one part that repeats. So you're going to place your pointer finger on the 6th fret of the A string, and your pinky finger on the 8th fret of the B string, and you're going to strum that twice. Then you're going to lift your pinky finger and place your middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string and strum that once. Then you're going to slide up and place your pointer finger on the 10th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 11th fret of the B string and strum that twice. Then you're going to place your ring finger on the 8th fret of the D string, and you're going to bar the B and high E strings on the 6th fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to strum that once. Then you're going to place your pinky finger on the 8th fret of the high E string and leave the rest of your fingers where they are. And you're going to do an upstroke. And you're going to slide up to the 10th fret of the high E string with your pinky finger. Then you're going to place your pointer finger on the 8th fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 10th fret of the D string, and your pinky finger on the 10th fret of the B string, and you're going to strum that twice. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Mood. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.